up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. I've been up since 4 a.m. and it's now 11 a.m. Gonna go train a couple clients and then I myself am gonna work out. I'm gonna do some legs today. I'm gonna go for some higher volume because I had a heavier leg day the other day. But you know I have skinny, weak ass legs, so doesn't really matter, but I'm gonna train them anyways, even though you guys think I probably don't. But that's not what today's video is about today. Today is about the Ram 2500 that I own, which I actually really love. I think this truck is awesome, and yeah, I can't wait to actually tow some shit with it instead of ghost towing with my mirrors up, which there's finally some mods coming to the truck soon, probably over the next couple of weeks. Just trying to get my Hellcat situated and get that all buttoned up, but finally some truck mods are coming soon. I have a few small things I'll make a video on, but today I really want to talk about why I do not like this truck. There's only one thing, and there's typically always one thing about every vehicle that nobody likes, and this thing is fixable, but it voids the warranty. So before I talk about it, let's see if you guys can guess what it is below. If you know newer diesels, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but I'm going to drink this Bang, I'm gonna go train some people, and then I'm gonna do legs, and I'll meet you guys after, and we'll talk about what the heck it is that I hate about this truck. Guys, so I just finished a leg workout, did some more volume today, and hopefully my flowers that I got delivered to Kennedy's house. Remember, Kennedy doesn't live here, so just randomly I decided to send her some flowers. So if you have a girlfriend, wife, whatever, randomly send them some flowers and you'll thank me later, trust me. Just randomly, out of nowhere. Don't do it because it's a special occasion, birthday, anniversary. Just randomly, just pick a random day and have some flowers delivered. They're not that expensive, but you'll thank me later. Anyways, so what I want to talk today to you about is the diesel exhaust fluid. So in 2012, that was the last year that Dodge had a truck without the DEF. So 2013 and up, all those trucks have diesel exhaust fluid. Now if you don't know what it is, it's essentially sprayed into the exhaust stream to make the air cleaner that comes out of the exhaust for emissions bullshit. So if you're, you know, about the environment, I'm all about the environment too. I think we should have a clean environment. We should be doing things to help clean up the environment, but I don't think that's our biggest problem. There's a lot bigger problems than freaking diesels being driven around. I think it's bullshit, and I also think, you know, it hasn't been really proven yet, but there has been some statements made by people that it's actually worse on your engine. It's actually very harmful because of the buildup from the fluid. So whether that's right or not, you know, everyone's got their own opinions, but I think it sucks. And if you delete it, which is what a lot of people do, you unfortunately lose your warranty. So it's like, do you delete it and save your engine in the long run, or do you not delete it and keep your warranty? And there's also, do you keep it until your warranty expires and then you delete it, which is a thing that a lot of people do. I don't know, I'm kind of torn between it, but I think it's freaking stupid that to put this diesel exhaust fluid. I'm at 2,190 miles exactly, and I'm about in the red zone for the diesel exhaust fluid. So I just picked some up from Home Depot because I happen to be at Home Depot and they happen to sell it, and it's Shell's version. So I've got to fill that up in here in just a second. But that is the one thing I hate about this truck and about any new diesel. And they run so much better when you delete them, but you also lose your warranty. So it's like, you know, if your transmission goes out, like, you know, Dodges like to do sometimes, you know, or your Ford, your turbos go out, which happens on Ford a lot. Nothing against Ford, nothing against Dodge, but just stating some facts here, stuff that happens. You know, stuff goes wrong. Stuff goes wrong on any new car, any new vehicle, and if you delete this, it voids that warranty. So it's like, I don't know, it's a 50-50. I personally am going to delete mine. Rachel's truck, Kevin's fiance, her Ram, they deleted hers, and it just runs so much better. And it just has an exhaust intake tune, and that DEF stuff is deleted, and it just runs so much better, and it puts black smoke into the air. So deal with it, people. Shit, there's a lot worse things out there. I'm gonna get some hate on this video, but literally that is the one thing I hate about this truck, and I hate about all new diesels, is that they have to run that. And yeah, you could go buy a 2012 or an older diesel, but you know, I really like the new technology of the newer diesels. You know, they're always upgrading the interior, so it's like, do you constantly want to be buying an older truck just to not have that diesel exhaust fluid, or do you buy a new truck and delete it? So like I said, I personally am going to delete mine. I think I'm going to wait a little bit longer because I want to do some other mods. And my kind of thinking is, if something's going to go wrong with the truck, it's probably going to happen at the earlier life, because diesels do last a long time. So I feel like if there's like a manufacturer defect or something's going to go wrong, or it happens to be a lemon, it's going to happen now rather than later. So I'm going to personally delete mine. But let me know your guys' thoughts below, what your thoughts are on the diesel exhaust fluid. If you had a diesel, would you delete it? If you have a diesel, have you deleted yours? And if not, if you haven't, why have you not deleted it yet? I know pretty much, I don't know anyone that hasn't deleted theirs yet. I know Brad hasn't deleted his, but his truck's a work truck, and you know, obviously he wants a warranty and he needs that truck to be running all the time, so he can't really take the chance. But yeah, I don't know. I'm deleting my shit. I'm gonna throw black smoke everywhere. Also, side note, should I put stacks on the truck or just a regular 5-inch turbo back? Let me know your guys' thoughts below. I thought about putting a stack. I know I don't even think they're that cool. I just think it would be funny to put a stack in the back just to piss people off. The only thing that would suck is when I'm towing my car behind me that I'm throwing black smoke all over my own car. So, but it would be really funny, looking like a freaking train going down the road. I probably won't do it, but let me know your guys' thoughts on stacks. So before I put some diesel exhaust fluid in this thing, I have heard, I've been doing just a little bit of research, haven't done much lately, honestly. I've been focused on the Hellcat, but that there's some tuning with like EasyLink, being one of the companies that the tuner can actually turn off the diesel exhaust fluid activation, whatever, but you can still have all your parts still on. That way, if you go to the dealer, you could take it off without leaving a footprint. Now, that's the problem, is can the dealership see that the truck has been tuned? Typically they can. However, I did some research. I don't know, you guys let me know below. I haven't done that much research on the diesels yet. But can they actually see that? Because I know with my Hellcat, they can definitely look back in the history and see that you've tuned it, even if you put it back to stock. Even if you switch the PCMs, they're able to tell that you switched the PCMs. Even if you get the VIN rewrote to a new PCM, they can tell that the PCM has been switched. The dealers are getting very smart these days because they don't want to warranty stuff that's fixed up. So let me know your guys' thoughts below on that also. I'm kind of reaching out to you guys or anyone that's watching this that's into diesels. But yes, let's fill this thing up. Alright, so here's the one I got. Shell Rotella diesel exhaust fluid. Awesome, waste of money. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Sorry about my bitching, but that is the one thing I hate about my 2017 Ram 2500, or for any new diesel really. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.